guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very interesting video. I saw this trend on Instagram and I was like I need to do it. Today I'm going to be attempting to DIY brow lamination. Guys, I don't know like if I'm going to rip all my hair off, but I hope not. I hope this is safe and I hope you guys can also try this at home. If you don't know what brow lamination is, it's basically like perming your eyebrows. You guys know I've been natural for like years now and I don't do the perm stuff. I don't do anything perm or chemicals on my body or on my hair. But this trend literally helps lift up your face. It makes you look like you have an eyebrow lift automatically. I sound so African. I have seen this trend on Instagram for so long. It's like the perfect Instagram model-y look and I love it. It makes your eyebrows look so fluffy and natural and just real, and I just love it because my eyebrows are so straight. I don't know why my dad gave me this type of eyebrows. I can't blame my mom because my mom don't have any eyebrows, but my dad definitely gave me the straight brows and I don't like them. I don't like them at all. It grows straight, like straight. Sometimes I twist under it, you know, just so that I can get a little bit of arch, but today I'm gonna really transform my eyebrows. It literally makes you have an eyebrow lift instantly, so we're gonna try it. First thing you need is transparent soap. Yeah, soap. A lot of people recommend transparent soap like this one. This one is transparent soap. My sister-in-law left it in my house one time and she never came to pick it up, and so I didn't have to purchase one. This one is from Pierce. It's called the Pierce Transparent Soap. A lot of people recommend transparent soap because it's just gonna like dissolve in your eyebrows faster. It's gonna be like transparent instead of using a regular soap, which is gonna like leave like residue on your eyebrows. So use transparent soap so it can disappear a little bit faster and it can be more seamless. So based on my research, you take the soap like so. Okay, this one have a little bit of paper on it, that's fine. And then you put it in a bowl of water, like just a little bit of water. This literally just have like maybe like 5 or 4 tablespoons of water there. You just put it like that, soak it up like that. You soak it up. Make sure you have paper towel close to you because it might get messy. So like that, the soap is soaked. Leave it to soak. I don't know if you guys know this, but this tool right here, the tool that most of us use to like lay down our edges, this part right here, people also use it to lay their edges, because what you're going to do with this is you're going to first comb your eyebrows. It's taking a wet paper towel and just cleaning your eyebrows just to make sure there's no oil on your eyebrows, because I just moisturized my face. There are going to be some oils there, so just clean that out. You can also use alcohol, but I have really sensitive skin and alcohol always like irritate my skin, so I'm just going to use water and a paper towel and just press it down just so I can clean it up. Then I'm going to take this brush right here. This, excuse, is a little bit dirty. It's fine, it's okay. We're going to wash it anyways later. This is the part right here that you're going to use. You're going to take the soap. This is the soap. And you're just gonna like let me switch it up. You're just gonna like rub it like so. Take a little bit of the soap like that, and then make sure it's not too wet. So you're gonna comb it up like so. Like so. You can add more soap as you're going, but I like my eyebrows combed up. I want my eyebrows combed up. You can do any shape you want. You can do straight if that's how you want your eyebrows, but I want mine to be combed up. Like so. Now we're gonna wait eyebrows to dry, I'm gonna wait for like 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna set my timer, or you could check when they're hard, then you can move on to the next process. Okay, now that it has dried up a little bit, I'm gonna touch it to make sure it's good. Good, nothing is coming on my fingers. Then I'm just gonna fill on my eyebrows like I normally do, like these areas that is like kind of bald. I'm just gonna fill it out, and then we're gonna go from there. Don't judge my small pencil. The beauty supply has been closed. You guys know what's going on in the country, okay? I can't wait for the beauty supply to open so I can go stock up on these pencils, because I'm like, right now I'm freaking out. Like, I'm at the, like, I can only use this maybe like 3 or 4 times, and then I'll be like done. So I've already applied makeup on my face, and I'm just gonna set under my brows with a powder. I'm gonna use a powder like this and just set under my brows, you know, just so that nothing moves, you know, just to be safe. Like so. You could use a powder that is like maybe 2 or 3 shades lighter than you, just so that your eyebrows can pop. This shade is like maybe 5 shades lighter than me, but I just like extraness, and I blend it really well so you don't notice. So as you can see, my eyebrows is done. This looks amazing. Like, it looks really, really nice. I definitely will continue doing this forever. Honestly, this is the best makeup hack I've ever learned how to do. I will forever do this hack. Even if I get my eyebrows professionally laminated, I'll always do this. Like, my eyebrows just look just so good. Like, it looks so freaking good. I can't even explain it. Like, it looks nice. Like, it's bomb. It's lit. Like, it's so pretty, guys. It looks so natural. Like, let me come closer so you guys can see what it looks like. Guys, when I say my eyebrows is popping, it is popping. What? What? You can't tell me nothing. Okay, guys, ignore my makeup. I know my makeup looks crazy. I've been all around the place, but I just wanted to show you guys what my eyebrows look like. Let me zoom for you guys so you guys can see. It's still going strong. It's about 9:23 p.m. and I did these eyebrows around like 12 noon today. Yeah, like 12 in the afternoon. Let me fill them. It's still like hard a little bit. Nothing is really coming off. Just a little bit of foundation is coming off. A little bit of concealer is coming off on my hand, but it's pretty okay. It looks really, really good for almost 10 hours of wear. Like, you could literally wear this to the club, like, and sweat, and still you'll be fine. These eyebrows stay all day, and it looks really, really good. So this technique definitely work. I would definitely recommend you and your mama to do it. I am loving it. It is so nice. Like, it has not moved all day. Like, this soap technique is everything. And I don't know why I just found out about this. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notification button if you want to see more things on my channel, because I'm about to be dropping these videos. I love you guys so much, and thank you guys so much for watching again. Peace out.
Baby girl, you fine. You fine.